Okay, I got a 2017 BMW GS-1200. I'm gonna show you the right side one is the throttle. I'm gonna show you this switch sometimes get stuck. This bike's got 18,000 miles already, so maybe it's got some dirt right here inside, so that way getting stuck. I'm gonna show you how you disassemble, lubricate, and then put it back together. Okay, I'm gonna. This control switch got two bolts right here in the bottom. The T80 Torx tool. It's got one bolt right here. Screw it up. And then carefully take it out. This part right here. Another screwdriver. Try to pry bar from the back. Go this side from here, from the front. Take it out this part like this. Okay. And then we want to take it out. The connector. It's got another bolt right here, another Torx T80. You can see from the back. You can see it right here. The same size Torx. Take it out. Let's be careful because it's too tiny bolt, so you don't want to lose it. Okay, and then from the top part, you want to take it out this part right here. Be careful. It's got one more switch right here in the front. You need to use a very skinny flat head. Try to pry bar right here. So you wanna pry bar a little bit the switch, and then pull the switch up. Okay, you can see it right here in the stable. You can see it's so dirty. So we want to take it out these two bolts apart, and then lubricate the switch, and then these two switches, and then clean the other part in the bottom. Okay, so I mentioned it before. You got two T80s Torx. So we're gonna take it out both right here. And then this part coming out like this. As you can see, it's a lot of dirt inside, so we're gonna clean it up. All this part is only plastics. Put some lubricant right here. We can put WD-40, and then try to clean this electronic part. This electronic part is like the connector right here. So you can see a lot of dirt from here. Like I say, this bike's 18,000 miles. So it's I rode a lot of dirt roads. All right, this is maintenance for the right switch. I'm gonna show you before. I'm gonna show you these parts, the two parts of the switch before. You can see the dirties, and then I'm gonna show you after I cleaned it. Okay, so now we have the two parts of the switch, control switch, where is the stop and the killer engine. can see the difference, both sides, with the two switch for the same switch. Okay, I'm gonna show you in a minute how you put it back everything together, and that way you know for the next time how you clean this switch. This is the electronic part. Okay, so I already put the two switch, the mode switch and the heater hands, and then I'm gonna put the electronic part right here. So you need to hold this part right here to the top, and then put the two bolts, the two screws, Torx T80s, sorry, T8s. Screw all the way. Don't put too much pressure because it's plastic. Just like this. That way you have lubricate the start-stop switch. I'm gonna put over there on the bike. I'm gonna show you how you can put everything back together. Okay, so this switch, like I said, it's very easy to put. Just put it right here in the handle, and then don't forget the electric connector. It's going right here in the back, right here, and push all the way to hear the click. There you go. That way you can secure it connected. So I'm gonna put the lower part of the switch. I'm gonna put first the one screw from the bottom, holding you hold the switch from the top, and then start putting like this. Same size of the Torx. All the way, like I said, a little bit not super hard because it's plastic. And then I'm gonna put the bottom part. The electrical connector goes right here on this side to this connection. So make sure when you put it, I'm gonna slide it from here. It's kind of tricky part. I'm gonna slide it from here. Try to hold the connector. Try to slide it to the top like this. And then you want to put this part right here. Is very important right here, because right here is the connection, straight connection to the water, to the electrical, to the wire. So try to conceal this part right here, no gap, and then in the back too. There you go. And then from the bottom, I'm gonna put the other Torx screw all the way. There you go. And you can see the switch back together. Okay. That way you have these three switches lubricated and cleaned, ready to go. Okay, thank you.